Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about the English language.
Have a shower. Have a shower. Have a bath. Have a bath. Have a wash. Have a wash. Have a rest. Have a rest. Have a break. Have a break. Have a nap. Have a nap. Have a snooze. Have a snooze. Have a lie down. Have a lie down. Have a holiday. Have a holiday. Have a dream. Have a dream. Have a day off. Have a day off. Have a party. Have a party. Have fun. Have fun. Have a haircut. Have a haircut. Have a chat. Have a chat. Have a decision. Have a decision. Have a talk. Have a talk. Have a walk. Have a walk. Have a swim. Have a swim. Have a game. Have a game. Have a dance. Have a dance. Okay, like, share, and subscribe, please, ladies and gentlemen.